How to install Google Talksmate app. Hello guys, welcome back to Android Tips YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Google Talksmate app so that it is important apps to earn money, and also it is very helpful app to earn some amount on Google. So Google is a great platform that you can trust. So let me show you how you can download this from your phone. So it's very pretty simple. You just need to go to Play Store, and here you have to search for GOOGLE Google Talksmate. So here just click on search bar, and this is the application. You can see here, simply tap on install option here, and then you have to wait until it gets installed. It depends upon the network, how and what type of network do you have. So here it's taking a few moments to take the download. So here you can see 40%, and then I guess it's done. It's on an installing process right now, so it's done. So you can see here we have finally the application, that is Google Talksmate application. Let me just show you. Here you can see on my phone, this is the application. So in the next video I'm going to show you how you can use this. Thanks for watching.